The Miracle Roots Red Alingatong nasa capsule na. Hatid ng GreenMed Pharma. Red Alingatong capsule is now FDA approved.
Nahihirapan sa pagbabawas kada umaga? Almoranas at constipation? Solusyonan. Red Alingatong. Red Alingatong. Nakakatulong sa digestive problems at nakakalinis ng colon system. Mabisang gamot sa gouty arthritis, dialysis patient, high blood pressure at diabetes.
The Miracle Roots Red Alingatong nasa capsule na. Hatid ng GreenMed Pharma. Red Alingatong capsule is now FDA approved.
Red Alingatong capsule now available in the Subic Bay Freeport area, Olongapo, Bataan, and Zambales. Red Alingatong capsule. Gagaling ka dito.
The Morning Brew.
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 With DJ Tommy G.
With DJ Tommy G.
89.5 radio, the way it should be.
89.5 Subic Bay Radio. We are coming to you live from the #1 tourist destination in Central Luzon for 11 straight years now. Wow, 11 straight years. Subic Bay Freeport Zone. This is the Morning Brew Show with DJ Tommy G, the Hitman. How you guys doing? All right, welcome. And a little bit later, I'm gonna be giving you today's holidays and observances and the famous birthdays. But for the meantime, here's a couple of invitations coming from our friends at SM City, Olongapo Central. And SM City, Olongapo Downtown, our home is having the summer sale. Ayan, dahil summer, syempre. Summer sale at SM City, Olongapo Central's Our Home. Visit them at the 3rd level for the whole month of April. Naku, last day na pala ng April ngayon, ano? Enjoy up to 80% off. So you guys better hurry. 3rd level of SM City, Olongapo Central. And also they're having the Buy One, Take One Festival. Also last day today. This is from April 26th to the 30th at all SM Super Malls. So you guys better hurry dahil last day na today, okay? And also avail of the big summer sale that's happening at all SM stores. Get 300 pesos off when you present your SM Advantage card and SM Prestige card and download the voucher. Okay, so you better visit their social media pages. SM City, Olongapo Central, and SM Downtown. And 200 pesos voucher for non-SMAC members, SM Advantage card holders. Okay? And also, Karamia Cakes and Ice Cream opens today at 1:30 p.m. Nako, I hope we're done by 1:30 para makahabol ako, no? At the ground level, visit the ground level of SM City, Olongapo Central. Opening today of Karamia, 1:30 p.m. All right? And Miniso is now open at the SM City, Olongapo Downtown ground level. Visit Miniso para sa mga paborito nyong Miniso products. Okay? And tomorrow, May 1, Labor Day, it's gonna be the job fair happening at SM City, Olongapo Central, 9 a.m. at the ground level. So get your resumes ready. Aside from the job fair that we will be having here inside the Subic Bay Freeport, meron din sa SM Central po. Okay? I-ready nyo na lang yung mga resume ninyo. Lastly, My Girl Milk Tea and Coffee is now at the 2nd level of SM Downtown. If you haven't tried it yet, try nyo na. Try nyo na today, okay? And back to the show right about now. Ayan, sa mga naka-live stream sa atin sa video, natawa si Kuya, sabi, ay may video pala. May camera pala. Right here at the station, kung nakikita nyo sa ating official Facebook page, we have the students here from LaSalle College, Antipolo. Yay! Mabuhay! Ayun. Akala ko walang iingay no? Meron pala. May kaya palang iingay. Kamusta biyahe nyo, LaSalle College? Kamusta? Ayos ba? Ilang oras ang biyahe from Antipolo to Subic Bay Freeport? Ang tahimik? Mga sir, madam, ang hina ng bata nyo. Baka may gusto sumagot sa mic. Ilang oras bale yung biyahe nyo? Ilang oras? Inabot? 4 hours? Ayun, okay. Thank you, sir. 4 hours, ayan. Direct flight. By bus. Okay. So, these guys are here for their educational tour, am I right? Subic Bay lang po ba? Or after Subic Bay, may iba pang town na bibisitahin? Saan po next? Ayan, total. Ayan. Saan? Sa Clark Subic Safari? Hindi, what I mean is after Subic Bay Freeport, may iba pang pupuntahan na area, province. Saan po next? Clark Pampanga. Okay. Yeah. Ulitin mo nga, pare ko. Saan? Para marinig sa ere. Saan nung next?
Clark Pampanga Safari.
Yun! Clark Pampanga Safari. Ayan. Okay, meron din dito, Subic Safari. Have you been there? Hindi pa. Ayun. Pero anyways, yun yung naka-itinerary sa inyo. Isa lang naman yun eh. Clark Safari and Subic Safari. Ayun. Sayang din yung inabutan. They have this special promo. It's called Running with the Tigers. Bahala na kung abutan. Yun yung title ng promo. Tapos na yung promo. Pero, yeah. Ito po ba yung first stop niyo for Subic Bay Freeport? Ito yung una nyo. Saan po yung nauna nyo kanina? Saan? Sa Carton Factory at the Techno Park, am I right? Industrial Park. Oh. How was the trip there? Okay ba? Nakakita kayo ng iba't ibang klaseng karton, ano? Ayun. At least, ang maganda doon, nabisita nyo yun, hindi plastic yung nakita nyo. Karton. Well, doon naman tayo papunta di ba? Okay. So, what's gonna be the next stop po after ng 89.5? Law Enforcement Office. Yeah, they would learn a lot din there. Yung technology that we use for yeah. Wow, okay. So, since kayo yung guest ko ngayon sa radio program, let me ask you guys a couple of questions, ha. Ito, kailangan talaga may mag-grab ng mic pag sasagot, ha. Kahit sino pwedeng sumagot. Ayan. Kamusta naman ang campus ng Lasal Antipolo? Malaki ba to? Malaki ba yung campus nyo? Malaki? Malaki ba yan?
Malaki naman po.
Malaki. Malaking-malaki. Gaano kalaki? Meron bang football field? Ganon? Or meron? Okay. Alam niyo ang school, kaya ko nasabing football field. Parang yan kagad ang basehan eh. Pag may football field, track and field, stadium, yan ang kagad yung basehan kung malaki. Sa gabi, sinasara yung mga bintana, baka pumasok yung buwan. Di ba? So, sobrang laki. But yeah, anyways, ano ang kakaiba sa Lasal College School na masasabi niyong wala sa ibang school? Yan. Kami lang ang meron nito. Ayan. Yung football field. Ba't yung iba walang football field, pare? Anong meron sa inyo na wala sa iba, nakakaiba?
Ano po, yung school po kasi namin may chapel na
Okay.
tas may basement din po yung chapel. Siguro yun po yung pinagkaiba niya sa ibang school.
Nag-level up, no? May chapel lang kayo, walang basement yan. Parang gano'n. Sa amin, meron. Okay, ha? Alright. Is the chapel big? Malaki ba yung chapel? Malaki. Okay. Alright. So, how about the canteen? The resto. Ayos ba? Masarap ba yung pagkain? At least, yeah, expensive. He's honest, yeah. Tatanungin ko sana kung may offer ba na mura na uutang pa eh. No? Expensive na kagad sabi niya. O kaya kahit man lang yun, masarap kahit walang discount, parang gano'n. Pag graduate na kayo, STEM grade 11 Tapos grade 12 muna before college, right? Yeah. Let's say graduate na kayo, anong pinaka-mamimiss nyo sa Lasal College Antipolo? Anong Hagdan? I think sa mga nauna kanina, it also came up. Ano bang meron sa hagdan na yan? Kakaiba yata yan, ha?
Yes, kasi our school is uphill.
Microphone, please. Microphone, please. Yeah.
Lasal College Antipolo po. Our school located sa hill po. So, kailangan talaga paakyat kami. So, even the vehicles paakyat din. And then lahat, estudyante paakyat din.
Wow.
So, and our building also up and down din siya. So, puro hagdan.
Wow.
Yes, that's it po. So, healthy kaming lahat.
Yun, I was about to say, which makes your students healthy and everybody else dahil parang may workout araw-araw going to and from, di ba?
Make our school unique also.
Yun, kakaiba. Ang eskwela ng pinakamaraming hagdanan na rin ganun.
Kung may Lasal top naman.
Top kayo. TOP. Oo nga naman. Yan. Okay. Alright, so I'm not gonna hold you guys long dahil 5 buses kayo, no? Lahat yan dadaan dito, alam nyo ba? Okay. Alright. So, thank you, kids, for dropping by. Maraming salamat. And thank you for making 89.5 a part of your stop. Maraming salamat po. Alright. Thank you. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, Lasal College Antipolo. Yay! Ayan. Ito yung live video in case I haven't showed you. Pwede nyo naman puntahan sa 89.5 page and I also tagged the school Facebook page. Pwede nyo i-replay na lang over and over. Okay. Alright. So again, thank you guys. Maraming salamat. Let's bring in the next batch. let's play this next song. Music coming from Fallout Boy. This is called Thanks for the Memories requested song. I'm gonna repeat the numbers for those who want to request for songs. 0910-6909-501. Text me now. Request for songs and shoutouts. 895 Subic Bay Radio.